National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Caswell County, southeastern Pittsylvania County, Halifax County, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cody to near Java to near Pittsville, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Chatham, Gretna, Prospect Hill, Turbeville, and Ingram.